Hi guys, welcome back. In my previous video I showed you how to make this beautiful little hanging heart, and I got all excited about making that one, and in that I said that I might make a larger one that I could put on the wall. Well, I went and did it, and this is what I'm going to show you how to make today. And I had so much fun making this. Really easy. It's probably cost me about £4 to make. And that was, I used 4 packs of these drawing pins, and then I used a bit of card and about 5 glue sticks. Made a little hole at the back so then I can hang it on my wall, but I think it's turned out really well. Better than I expected, and I think I'm going to place this in my bedroom because it's a bit more modern looking. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all is that we need 2 bits of cardboard, quite thick cardboard, so 2 pieces of that, and then I made myself a template. I stuck 4 bits of pieces of paper together, folded it in half like that, and then just drew half of the heart shape, so then I could fold it out and I would have a nice template to begin with. So all we need to do now is just draw the heart. So that's the heart shape. So now all we need to do now is cut it out. Now if you've seen any of my videos before, I've always used my crafty bread knife. Now I only use this for crafting, and it just gives you a really nice neat edge through the actual cardboard, and you get a nice clean edge. So now we're going to use this as our template, so now we're going to put that onto there. So now they're going to be both the same size. And now cut this one out. There's a second heart. Right, so we just need to glue these 2 pieces together. Now you can use PVA, but I've got my trusty glue gun. And there we go. So now that the heart's all stuck down, I'm just going to make this really smooth on here. This is the bit that I haven't done. And then the bit that I have done, I've just smoothed it off so that both levels are the same. And it's just with my trusty bread knife, and I'm just going to scrape over it like this. And this will just bring the 2 levels to the same. Right, next we need our drawing pins. Now in here you get 400 pins, and this was from Poundland, so obviously it was only £1. Now I was trying to buy some off Amazon, but they wanted about $7.99 for about 250. So this is a really cost effective. So if I was you, I'd go to Poundland and go and get a few packs of these. £1, good. So what we need to do, we're going to use some of these, and we're going to just put them on the side here, and this is going to go all the way around the outside of our heart, but I'm going to actually glue them in with the glue gun, because this is going to be on my wall and I don't want it to fall off, or if small children touch it, I don't want them getting any pins in them. So start at the bottom and bit of glue, and place your first one right in the middle of the 2 boards. So now that we've done the sides of our heart, now we're going to fill the middle bit in, and I'm going to place the little drawing pins here, and I'm going to work myself all the way around the heart, and then I'm going to do another row and go all the way around the heart until I get to the middle. So this is the first round. I'm going to start again. So do exactly as you did before. And this is the end result. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed the video again. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to make one yourself, or if you've got any ideas for me to make with drawing pins as well, because I like a few ideas, and the more that we share, the better it is. If you've actually liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.